Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how you can replace a door handle, inner one, for Nissan Navara. This one is a Pathfinder, which is exactly the same, and Nissan Frontier. So tools you need is a 10mm socket with a ratchet, flathead screwdriver, a small pick, and a Phillips head screwdriver. The process is very easy. So first, to start with, we're going to lift these things up, and under this you can see there's a screw there. I'm going to lose the screw, take it off. So it's hard to work with one hand holding the phone and another one, so I'll try my best. Alright, so almost off. Come on. Here we go. Put that on the side safely so we don't lose it. Now, this thing, we need to pry it off from here. So as you can see, as I lift up, that slowly, gently, and it pops up. Has an electrical connector. So you push this tab and pull the connector out. The best way is to use a flathead screwdriver. So I jam a screwdriver in there, and I can't do it with one hand, sorry. So you jam a flathead screwdriver in there and push the tab, and then you should be able to pull it out nice and easy. So I will show you where the tab is, this one here. So push it in and pull it out. Now the next step is we need to take this trim off. So it comes off very easy. Has a tab in this corner here, so that's how we're going to use a pick. So what you need to do, grab a pick in this and pull gently, and from the bottom as well, and once you have this loose, it will slide off easy like that. So as you can see, there's a plastic clips here. Just be careful, because these, this is an old car, the things goes brittle. So I snapped one of these before while taking the door card off. So keep that in mind, that these things are fragile and can break. So now once you have that removed, the next one is to take this out. Same process with a pick, and try to pull gently, and it will come off. So I put a pick in there and pull it out a little bit, and it will pop out like that. So there should be one more here. So you're gonna need to have both hands. Okay, so you pull the handle out like this, and this plastic cap will slide out. Once you have this off, you will see there's another screw here, so I'm going to take that one off as well. Okay, so I took the screw from here out as well. So now the next step is we need to pull this trim off. So just with a flathead screwdriver, gently pry underneath, and it will pop up. Alright, so I jammed the screwdriver flathead in there, pulled it up, this thing comes off, and dropped it, or slide it out like this. So once you have that removed, only things left holding this door card in place is these two 10mm. So I'm going to remove these. Okay, both of those two 10 mils are out. So now I'm gonna gently put my hand around the corner here and try to pull the door trim towards me, and you will see once you pull, there's a plastic clips holding the door trim in place all around this card here. So not on top, just on the sides and the bottom, and once you pull them out it will be loose. Alright, so now you can see it's loose now. So now what you need to do is lift it up like that from the sides as well. Lift it up and pull this door handle a little bit to slide the door card out. Okay, so once you have the door card out, to remove this handle there is a 10 mil holding the handle as well, so I want to remove that one too. Alright, so once you have that 10 mil removed, this will come out like that. So this will slide out like this and pull. Alright, so now this is loose. As you can see, these plastic clips or tabs or whatever you want to call it is locked like this. So slide backwards and pull out will come out, and then we can release the cable just like that, and there we go. You got your door handle removed. And then put a new door handle back in the car, and you put everything back together in the reverse action and ready to go. Hopefully this video will be, or maybe this video is helpful for you. If it helps, please subscribe to my channel to get more and more updates. Thanks for watching.